Hello, everyone. Welcome to my podcast. My name is Anna, and I am very happy to talk with you today. Today's topic is weather. Weather is something we see and feel every day. It is important in our life. It can change our plans, our clothes, and even our mood. Let's start with a simple question. What is weather? Weather is the condition of the air outside. It tells us if it is hot or cold, sunny or rainy, windy or cloudy. We always check the weather when we wake up in the morning. For example, if the weather is sunny, we can go for a walk, play outside, or meet friends. If it is rainy, we take an umbrella and stay dry. If it is cold, we wear a warm jacket, a hat, and gloves. Weather is different in every country. In some places, it is hot almost every day. In other places, it is cold and snowy for many months. That is very interesting. Now I want to talk about 4 basic types of weather. Sunny weather, sun. Rainy weather, cloud with rain. Cloudy weather, cloud. Windy weather, wind face. Let's look at them slowly. Sunny weather means the sun is in the sky. The sky is bright and blue. People feel happy and active. Rainy weather means water falls from the sky. We see raindrops. The ground becomes wet. Sometimes we use umbrellas or raincoats. Cloudy weather means the sky has many clouds. The sun is not very strong. The sky looks gray or white. Windy weather means the air moves fast. We can feel the wind on our face. Trees and leaves move a lot. Weather is very important for farmers, travelers, and even animals. Farmers need good weather to grow food. Travelers check weather before trips. Animals also change their behavior when weather changes. So, weather is not just small talk. It is part of our daily life. Now let's talk about seasons. Seasons are different parts of the year. In most places, we have 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn or fall, winter. Each season has different weather. Cherry blossom spring. Spring is a beautiful season. The weather becomes warmer after winter. Flowers start to grow. Trees become green again. Sometimes it rains, but not too much. People feel happy because nature wakes up. Sun summer. Summer is usually hot. The sun shines a lot. Days are long and nights are short. People wear light clothes like t-shirts and shorts. Many people go to the beach, swim, or travel in summer. Fallen leaf autumn, fall. Autumn is a cooler season. Leaves on trees change color to yellow, orange, and red. Then they fall down. The weather becomes windy and sometimes rainy. People start wearing jackets again. Snowflake winter. Winter is the coldest season. In some countries, it snows. The air is very cold and days are short. People wear warm clothes like coats, scarves, and gloves. Some people drink hot tea or cocoa to stay warm. It is interesting how weather changes during the year. Each season is different and special. Some people like summer best, and some people like winter best. It depends on what they enjoy. Weather also changes what we do every day. For example, in summer we go outside more. In winter we stay inside more. But even when weather is bad, it is still part of life. Every season has something nice. Now we will learn how to describe the weather in English. This is very useful in daily life. You can talk with friends, classmates, or even strangers. Let's start with some easy sentences. Sunny weather. It is sunny today. The sun is shining. The sky is blue. It is a nice day. Cloud with rain, rainy weather. It is raining. The weather is wet. I need an umbrella. The streets are wet. Cloudy weather. It is cloudy today. The sky is gray. The sun is behind the clouds. Wind face windy weather. It is windy. The wind is strong. The trees are moving. Snowflake cold weather. It is cold today. I feel cold. I need a jacket. Fire hot weather. It is hot today. The weather is very warm. I drink cold water. Now let's learn a very important word, temperature. Temperature tells us how hot or cold it is outside. We often hear it in the weather report. For example, 0 degrees Celsius is very cold. 20 degrees Celsius is nice and comfortable. 30 degrees Celsius is hot. You don't need to understand everything now. Just remember, higher number equals hotter, lower number equals colder. When people talk about weather, they often ask simple questions like, what is the weather like today? Is it cold outside? Do I need an umbrella? And we can answer, yes, it is raining. No, it is sunny. It is a bit cold. These are very simple sentences, but they are very useful in real life. Now we will talk about something very useful, weather forecasts. A weather forecast is information about the weather in the future. It tells us what the weather will be like tomorrow or next week. We can see weather forecasts on TV, on the phone, on the internet, in newspapers. People check the forecast to plan their day. For example, if it will rain tomorrow, we take an umbrella. If it will be sunny, we can go to the park. If it will be cold, we wear warm clothes. Mobiphone example of a simple weather forecast. Tomorrow it will be sunny and warm. The temperature will be 22 degrees Celsius. In the evening, it may be a little cloudy. This is a very simple forecast. It gives us important information. Now let's learn some useful words from weather forecasts. Today, now, this day. Tomorrow, next day. Week, 7 days. Morning, early part of the day. Evening, later part of the day. Chance of rain, possibility of rain. For example, there is a 50% chance of rain. This means rain may happen, but we are not sure. Sometimes forecasts are not 100% correct. Weather can change quickly. That is normal. For example, in the morning it can be sunny, but in the afternoon it can rain. That is why people still look outside before leaving home. Weather forecasts are very helpful for students going to school, people going to work, farmers growing food, travelers flying or driving. So now you know, weather forecasts help us plan our life better. Now we will talk about extreme weather. This means very strong or unusual weather. It can sometimes be dangerous, so we need to be careful. Let's look at some examples. Cloud with lightning and rainstorms. A storm is very strong weather. There is heavy rain, strong wind, and sometimes thunder and lightning. Thunder is the loud sound in the sky. Lightning is a bright flash of light. During a storm, it is better to stay inside the house. We should not stand under trees or go outside if it is very strong. Snowflake snowstorms. A snowstorm happens in winter. There is a lot of snow and strong wind. It can be difficult to see and to travel. Roads can become slippery. Cars can move slowly or stop. People often stay at home during a snowstorm. Water wave floods. A flood happens when there is too much water. Rivers or rain can cover streets and houses with water. Floods are dangerous. People may need to leave their homes and go to safe places. Fire heat waves. A heat wave is a very hot period of weather. The temperature is very high for many days. During a heat wave, we drink more water. We stay in shade. We try not to go outside in the hot sun. Heat waves can make people tired or sick if they are not careful. Tornadoes, strong wind, and tornadoes. Sometimes wind becomes very strong. In some countries, there are tornadoes. A tornado is a very strong spinning wind that can destroy things. It is rare, but it is very dangerous. Even if extreme weather sounds scary, we can stay safe by following simple rules. Listen to weather news. Stay inside when it is dangerous. Follow instructions from adults or authorities. Weather is powerful. It can be beautiful, but also strong and dangerous. That is why we should always respect it. Now we will talk about some fun facts about weather and why people like it so much. Globe showing Europe, Africa. Fun fact 1. Weather changes fast. Weather can change in one day. In the morning it can be sunny, and in the afternoon it can rain. That is why people often say, check the weather before you go out. Rainbow. Fun fact 2. Rainbows. A rainbow appears when it is sunny and rainy at the same time. Sunlight and rain together make beautiful colors in the sky: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Many people love rainbows because they look magical. Sun behind rain cloud. Fun fact 3. Weather is different everywhere. In the same moment, one country can be very hot. Another can be cold and snowy. Another can be rainy. The Earth has many different weather types at the same time. Smiling face with smiling eyes. Why people talk about weather. Weather is a very common topic. People talk about it because it is easy to understand. Everyone experiences it. It helps start conversations. For example, nice weather today. It is really cold, isn't it? Do you think it will rain? Brain final message. Weather is part of our life every day. It is simple, but also very important. It helps us decide what to wear, where to go, and what to do. Even if we don't think about it, weather is always around us. Thank you for listening to my podcast. I hope it helped you learn new English words and feel more comfortable with the topic of weather. Goodbye, and have a nice day, whatever the weather is like today.
Leave a comment under this video and one of you will get 40 English lessons for free.